What's up, you guys? This is ZacJacDan back with another Every Marvel Legends video. This time we're talking about every best of UK re-release or international Build-A-Figure wave. So started off in 2016 doing this UK re-release with the Hulkbuster Build-A-Figure. And here were all the re-release figures that we had to build the Hulkbuster. Black Widow, Thor, War Machine, Loki, Hulk, Hawkeye, Captain America, and Iron Man. 2017, you had a Giant Man re-release from Captain America Civil War. Needed War Machine, Falcon, Black Panther, Winter Soldier, Scarlet Witch, Mark 46 Iron Man, and Captain America. 2018 was Gladiator Hulk from Thor Ragnarok re-released. And this was kind of a mixture of Thor Ragnarok and Guardians of the Galaxy 2. So you had Thor, Loki, Hela from the Thor. And from Guardians you had Star-Lord, Gamora, Drax, and Rocket Groot. 2019 gave us the Thanos from Infinity War. You needed the Iron Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America and his Wakandan gear, Ant-Man and Wasp from Ant-Man and Wasp, Thor and Black Widow. And then 2020 has given us the Armored Thanos re-release. And you need Thor, Worthy Cap, Black Widow, Iron Man Mark 58, Spider Armor, Spider-Man, Rescue, and Black Panther. So these have all been re-released as UK. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me any kind of comments. Hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.